that the two sides of the brain are not equal. The two sides of the brain are distinct functional systems. That is to say, they are not mirror images of the other. Each has a distinct neurophysiology, a distinct neurochemistry, a distinct neuroanatomy. These are two very different systems. And when we were just looking at motor behavior, left and right, etc., we didn't capture this. So we're not looking at two sides of one brain. We are looking at two different systems, the right and the left hemisphere, and that these operate independently. Yes, they can operate in concert with each other, but independently. And actually, they have separate growth spurts. They do not grow together. Actually, when you go to sleep, literally, the left hemisphere goes to sleep first and then the right hemisphere. So these ideas about the differences between the two hemispheres, which first came out in the 70s and then were thought to be rather controversial, this matter of brain laterality now is actually at the cutting edge of science. These are two very different functional systems. A layer-forming, logical, analytical, verbal in the left. Right now, my left is communicating to your left, my Broca's area to your Wernicke's area, and then this right system, which is dominant, as you will see, for survival functions. The left is dominant for language, the right is dominant for survival functions. And nature has it that these survival functions, these communication functions and the attachment, is what comes online first.